Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back. In today's video we'll start learning about scroll text. A scroll text is similar to entry, but it's bigger, wider, and supports multi-line text input. So let's get started by importing Tkinter as tk. Then from Tkinter import scrolled text and create our window. Window will be tk.tk. Give it a title. So window dot title will be scrolled text, and finally window dot main loop. So now we create scroll text widget. I will name it src equals to scrolled text dot scroll text, and then add it to the window and pack it. Then src dot pack. Let's run the application and see what kind of input we get. And you can see it fills the entire application because the initial application size was this, let's say about half the screen in width and height, almost. So it took this value. Now we can type as we wish, multiline, anything you want. All right. If by default the screen size was full size, this widget will be the full size. Now we have seen that. Let's start by doing some customization. We will start by defining the width. So width will be maybe 500, height will be 200. Let's see that. Run, and wow, this is a huge value. How about 100 and 100? Let's see. First close this one, and you can see now we have smaller one. Let's just set maybe this one to 500. Run. So still huge value, not 500 but 50. So now we can see this is still large value. Let me set it to 10 and 10. Run again, and you can see now it's smaller. Let's type some multi-line stuff, and wow, you can see now that we have this scroll bar. That's why it's called scroll text, because once you have reached the full limit of the screen, you can actually get this scroll bar so you can navigate the text up and down. All right, even if you enlarge the screen, because you can see that we defined a precise width and height, so we cannot go beyond that for this widget, and this is where the scroll bar comes handy. And I think by that this is all I can teach you in this video for the scroll text. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you in the next video.